Stop what you're doing because Claude Cowork might just be the AI breakthrough that actually does your work for you. This isn't just another chatbot that gives you answers. This is an AI coworker that takes tasks, executes them step by step, and delivers real results. But before we continue, quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling this product, I'm exposing what it really does so you don't get misled. Claude Cowork lives inside the Claude desktop app and brings the power of Claude Code's agentic execution to everyday tasks, no coding required. Here's what makes Claude Cowork different. Instead of answering one prompt at a time, you tell it what outcome you want, like organizing your downloads folder, extracting data from screenshots into spreadsheets, or drafting polished reports from scattered notes, and it plans, works, and finishes the job. It can read, edit, create files in a folder you choose, and keep you updated on progress before taking big actions. It works inside a sandboxed environment with your permission so it doesn't overstep its bounds. Cowork even supports plugins that tailor Claude to your specific workflow, like legal review or financial analysis, making AI feel more like a real digital teammate. But it's still a research preview, so some users find it a bit unpredictable and experimental for heavy daily work. So what's the bottom line? Claude Cowork isn't just another AI assistant, it's a task executor that bridges the gap between asking AI for advice and letting it actually do meaningful work on your files and projects. If you're tired of copy-paste and manual task juggling, this could be a glimpse into where AI productivity tools are headed. Have you tried Cowork yet? Comment what task you'd let it handle first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest AI tool reviews.